Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy. This is our development series. We meet here every Sunday at 11 a.m. and talk about developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. Let's get into it. Number one. Minister Everald Warmington announced during his visit to Hanover this week that the Montego Bay Perimeter Road will extend through Hanover into Negril. He also expressed his discontent with the present stretch of the Northern Coastal Highway in Hanover, doubting whether it even qualifies as a highway. There are also apparently plans to bypass Hopewell, Sandy Bay, and Lucy. However, the minister could not provide the cost of the project since the designs are not yet complete. Number two, the British Crown's symbolic role in the constitutional framework of Jamaica has often been a topic of reform discussions throughout the years. According to the Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs website, over the last 60 years, since Jamaica's independent constitution came into effect in 1962, there have been two notable periods of reform, one in the 1970s and another from the 90s through to 2015. However, when Barbados officially became a republic in 2021, removing the Queen of Head of State, it provided fresh impetus for Jamaica to accelerate its own constitutional reform process. As a part of this effort, there will be town hall meetings and public discourse to discuss the possibility of Jamaica becoming a republic. Are you in favor of this reform? Let me know in the comments. Number three, I was today years old when I learned that over 40% of our population does not have internet access. That seems a bit high to me. According to this Gleaner article, of that number, only 9% have access to broadband internet. Now, I think they are referring to internet services at home when they say over 40% of the population does not have internet access. In Jamaica, if you don't have internet access at home, you can put on data on your phone, or you can access internet at work or free Wi-Fi at certain spots in town. With that being said, the goal is to close the digital divide. The United Nations Development Fund, UNDP, already gave over 300,000 US dollars that was used to create 17 internet sites across Jamaica. They're getting ready to enhance their digital presence in the region, which could mean more assistance for Jamaica in the future. Opposition leaders lashed out at Prime Minister Justin Trudeau for what they called poor judgment. About what, you ask? Well, it came to light early in April that he had spent his Christmas holiday in the Jamaica residence of a wealthy contributor to the Pierre Elliott Trudeau Foundation. According to Radio Canada, Trudeau visited Prospect, an opulent estate with beachside villas owned by the Green family. Alexander and Andrew Green donated a significant sum to the foundation in 2021 to establish a scholarship in their mother's memory. Because of security and personal expenditures related to travel, the Jamaican excursion cost taxpayers about $160,000. The French language division of CBC noted that some workers were accommodated at a nearby all-inclusive resort, which was funded by the federal coffers. The highly anticipated first hybrid solar eclipse in a decade happened on Thursday of last week, April 20. The rare celestial event glided over the South Pacific with a moon shadow traipsing over Western Australia and Indonesia. As the moon's shadow moved across the Earth's surface, the hybrid solar eclipse shifted from a total solar eclipse to an annular, ring-shaped one. I did a quick search to see if we were going to see an eclipse in Jamaica this year, and apparently there will be a partial solar eclipse in Jamaica on Saturday, October 14th, 2023, at least according to this website. Have you ever seen an eclipse? If so, how old were you? Let me know in the comments.